already my father is suffering from many health issues, and we can't take this risk that if something untoward happens to him, we can't take this risk that he will be in Delhi, and I don't know why I feel that if they are not able to treat their MPs properly, how will they treat my father? How will they treat those the prisoners? If they are not able to treat those high level people, how will they treat my father, those other prisoners? So I was really hopeless this time. Even after sending so many mails, letters, etc., I didn't see any response or any relief. He has been spending his life in jail for 34 long years, and jails are not a big deal for him. So if you can't release him, if you don't want to release him, don't release, but at least shift him to J&K. That's all I want to convey.
My mother Asyan Rabi was arrested in 2017 along with her two associates, Naida Nasreen and Fahmida Sofi. In 2018, they were shifted to Tihar jail, New Delhi, thousands of miles away from their homes and families, and for the past 3 years, they have been in that prison. She has spent close to 13 years of her life intermittently in different jails and has been booked under the Public Safety Act more than 20 times. At the time of this pandemic, it's her health that concerns us all. My mother is 60 years old and suffers from various ailments including bronchospasms, angioedema, urticaria, asthma, and other respiratory issues. So with all these comorbidities and her old age, she is particularly vulnerable to COVID-19. Tihar jail is an overcrowded prison. It has a capacity of holding 10,000 prisoners, but at this moment, it holds more than 20,000 prisoners. And because of the pandemic, the Indian state has released many dreaded criminals, but not a single Kashmiri political prisoner has been released.
हुकूमत हिंद और मुकामी इंतजामिया से मुतालबा करती है कि रियासत जम्मू कश्मीर से हिंदुस्तान के मुख्तलिफ जेलों में जो लोग मुक़ीद हैं उनको वादी कश्मीर फिलफोर मुंतकल किया जाए, क्योंकि पूरे भारत में कोरोना वायरस की खतरनाक लहर उभर कर आई है, जिससे यौमिया लाखों की तादाद में मुस्बत केस रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं और हजारों की तादाद में अमवात हो रही हैं। भारत सरकार और मुकामी इंतजामिया ये फैसला ले कि इन कैदियों को फिलहाल पैरोल पर रहा किया जाए।